In this video, we're going to transform this side area of our patio into a decorative privacy wall. Two benefits we're going to gain from this privacy wall. One is sight. It's going to create a nice backdrop for our patio. I'm hoping the sound of the AC unit will be blocked off quite a bit by this privacy wall, making it less of a disturbance when it turns on while we're sitting out here. I have two 10-footers and two 8-footer 2x4s, and those are going to be 4 main posts on the back here that will hold up all these 1x. I got 1x8s right here and 1x4s, and then I'm also going to cut some of these 1x4s in half to have a 1x2, and so we're going to have 3 different sizes that will alternate up the side here to create the privacy wall. Alright, so now this is the most difficult area of the whole wall, getting this angle done. So what I'm doing to figure out my angle, I know what my angle is from doing the roofing is 2.5 slope, 2.5 to 12 slope. So what I'm doing is using my spacer that I've been using for all these. I'm bringing it to the edge here and then marking at my point of contact, and from there to the end is what I need to measure for my length of board. And then from that point, I can do my 2.5 slope. Now from the new cut that I just made, I can find my slope from this corner. So from the pivot corner, put this up to here, and I'm going to come over to approximately 2.5, since there's not actually a marking for that. Just make a mark there, and then find something really long to extend this line out. Scrap 1x4 here that I can put up to this corner, and then find my mark right there. This is barely long enough actually. And let's make the mark. That's pretty close. Probably about an 1/8 inch from being able to fit my spacer in there. Now I'm thinking to myself, can I just cut off the flat end? Yeah, I reckon I could just try that. Okay, so I have this piece going up here, and while it's fitting, I need my gap. And so I'm gonna need to do a bunch of notching around here, all the way down through this. So I do actually have this handy little tool that I've never even used before. All right, so we finally have the whole wall finished, and now it's time to stain it. I used cedar tone pressure treated wood to build our patio roof, and so the stain that they use is this walnut stain. So we used this to match the framing on the patio roof.